Assets that you pass down to your kids could be subject to a lawsuit, divorce settlement, or creditors coming after them. When you give your assets to your kids through a will or through the probate process, it will be public information what those assets are. They can figure out how much they're worth and who those assets are going to, because with the probate process, it's all public information. Now, when those kids have a lump sum payout of the assets you're giving them, their net worth grows pretty substantially. And then if they have lawsuits coming after them, or they have creditors that they owe money to, or they have a divorce that they may be going through, they will be able to access the assets that you pass down to them, because now all of those assets are in their personal name and subject to being split for any of those scenarios. A way to get around this is to put your assets inside of a trust. It could be a revocable or an irrevocable trust, up to you. But you can hold those assets inside of the trust and not pass the full asset down to them. So let's say it's an investment account. You wouldn't want to give them the entire principal of that investment account to their name. What you could do is give them distributions from the growth from those investment accounts. Or if you have a rental property you're passing down to them, instead of giving them the rental property in full, you would allow them to take distributions from the cash flow from that rental property. That way you keep the principal of that asset protected inside of the trust, but they can still benefit from those assets, and then those assets are not able to be taken from lawsuits, divorce settlements, or creditors. If you want help setting this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.